The biggest mistake when baking ribs? Relying on barbecue sauce added at the end for sweetness. Get perfect caramelized sticky baked ribs by adding sugar at the start. The sweet and smoky rib rub is a quarter cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon each of garlic powder and mustard powder, and half a teaspoon each of onion powder and pepper. That's the perfect amount for a 2 to 3 pound slab of ribs. Baby back, spare ribs, or St. Louis style all work with this. Sprinkle it on both sides of the rack, wrap it in foil to cook for the first half of baking time at a low oven temp, then open up that foil for the second half. I do mine for 90 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit wrapped in foil, and then 90 minutes with the foil open. Then add a little barbecue sauce and broil them on both sides to get a little bit of char, or you can finish them on the grill. The meat is juicy and tender with that sticky sweetness throughout. For this sweet and smoky rib rub recipe, head to cookthestory.com. While there, also check out my best barbecue sauce and my recipes for spare ribs, St. Louis ribs, baby back ribs, rib ends, grilled beef ribs, and so much more. I have some of the best meaty recipes out there. Check them all out at cookthestory.com.